lovelies, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all well today. Okay, my colours today. My background is going to be another interference effect. This time I'm using rose quartz by this little piggy. And I'll show you one of the jars. That's what they come in, 20 grams. And my other colours, I'll start off with this one. This is this little piggy Athena. Gorgeous rose gold, lots of gold in it. This little piggy Zeus, deep rich gold. This is one of their latest releases. That's my thickness. This little piggy Cappuccino. Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold. Decoart 24K Gold. Lots of golds. And Decoart, let me just check on the colour. Okay, Decoart Extreme Sheen Ruby. I did think about just doing all the golds with a little bit of the rose gold, but I thought just pop a little bit of red in just for contrast, because the rose quartz is interference red, so you will see a red shift for the background. Now my colour activators, sorry, cell activators, not colour activators. This is 50-50. Equal parts of Amsterdam Titanium White and Atelier Titanium White, mixed with Floetrol. And this is what I put on my palette knife, or the colour on the top if you're doing a Dutch bloom. This gets either swiped or blown over the other colours. I think I've had a couple of people say I don't explain what this colour is. But all the details are listed in the description box below. The recipes linked to my paint mixing video, all the colours listed. Just click on the video title and it takes you straight to the description box where everything is listed. And this is Atelier Paints Grey with just a blob, maybe 2 pea-size blobs of Amsterdam Prussian Bloom. Again, mixed the same with just Australian Floetrol, no oils, nothing else, just that. I don't measure anything. I just mix until I get quite a thick, so I like it to leave a trace. And my cell activator, again, I don't mix. I like it to leave a trace that does eventually kind of disappear. No, it still leaves a trace. Possibly 2 to 2.5 parts of the Australian Floetrol to 1 part of the paint. Okay, my canvas is a 16-inch 40cm round, and I don't know what I'm doing. so I know I'm doing the red interference background. I don't know if I'm going to do a Dutch bloom or a swipe yet, so we'll see. Let's get messy. I ended up using rich gold and white for my cell activators instead.
Wanna feel you like a high breeze in the night. Tell them to open up the gates. We are the ones that liberate, the ones that never hesitate. Hey, tell them to stand up while they wait. We are the ones they want to say, the ones that never hesitate. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I think I made a good call by not using the red. Prefer all the golds. I think the red might have swallowed up the Athena, the rose gold, which you can see from certain angles, quite pinky. You'll see it soon. And the Cappuccino gives it, see there's the Athena. The Cappuccino gives the depth. And I didn't use the Iridescent Precious Gold because I hadn't got a lot left and it was quite gloopy. So, and also I didn't use the blue cell activator, the Payne's Grey and the blue, and I'm glad I didn't. Don't think it would have looked right. I used Atelier Rich Gold and the white, and as you saw when I showed you my palette knife, how I applied it, and yeah, I'm really happy. I love it. My husband and myself, we see a seahorse in that angle. I know the tail is going the wrong way, but I also see a winged dragon, a baby dragon. Let me know what you see. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you haven't already, and then you'll know when I put out a new video, and it's free to do that, and you can hit the notification bell so you know when I put out a new video. And thank you all so much for being here, and all the details are in the description box as always. Everything you need to know, where to get the pigments from, everything. So thanks for being here with me, guys, and everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.